Welcome to another video on upgrading BAO from 7603 to BAO 7801. Till now we have upgraded the repository and CDP. In this video, we'll upgrade the development studio. But before we start with the upgrade, let's validate the repository and the CDP installation by logging into the repository manager and CDP. At first, we'll log in into the SSO console to see if the repository and CDP agents are successfully deployed. Log in using the AM admin account. Click the agent details. And as we can see, we have the CDP and repository agents over here, and the state is running. Let's log out. Now log into the BAO repo. Log in using the AO admin account, which is the admin account for BAO in 7.8. Now, if you see, even though BAO 7801 uses HTTPS protocol by default, since our 7603 instance was running on HTTP, the upgrade process didn't change the protocol for us. In order to move to HTTPS now, you need to create a self-signed certificate, or you can sign your BAO instance using CS certificates. Click the logout button. Now let's validate our CDP instance. Again, log in using AO admin account. As you can see, the version is 7801 and the CDP looks just fine. So the upgrade looks good till now. At this point, if you have any additional PS in your existing BAO environment, upgrade them to BAO 7801 by following the same steps we performed earlier. Now let's start with the Dev Studio upgrade. This is the Dev Studio installer package. Extract it over here. Open the extracted folder and run the setup.cmd file. Click the Run button. Click OK. The installer is initializing at this point and validating the prerequisites. Okay, for us everything looks good. Click the Next button and accept the license agreement. The installer has automatically detected an existing installation of Development Studio and provided us with an option to upgrade it. Click Next. This is the existing Studio install directory. Click the Next button. This is our workspace. Let's click the Install button to start with the Development Studio upgrade process. Our Studio instance is now successfully upgraded. Click the Done button. Now let's validate the installation. Go to the Studio directory. And open the version.txt file. As you can see, the version is 7801. Now, since we still have the Access Manager installed, let's uninstall it. Let's go to the Access Manager server. This is my AM machine. As you can see from here, let's stop the service. Now let's proceed with the uninstallation of Access Manager. Go to the AM directory, uninstall BMC AO, and run the uninstall.exe. Click OK. The setup is now detecting the existing install. This is the welcome screen. Click the Next button. Click the Uninstall button to start with the uninstall process. The uninstallation is now successful. Let's see if the service is removed. As you can see, we no longer have the Access Manager service. Now, in the next part of the video series, we'll proceed with the upgrade of our existing content pack to the latest version, which is 2015-03.